Welcome to the School of Science and Technology. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of our early elementary. We're excited to have you. Let's go. We're here in our lobby, which is the first place our students start their day. As we look around, you can see that we have reinforced windows and doors because safety is our #1 priority for our students and staff. Next, we are going to visit our medical aids room, and we know this is a very important place for our students to receive health-related care. Whether a small scrape, a nagging headache, or a lost tooth, our healthcare staff will provide the best possible care. First classroom we're going to visit is a pre-K classroom. Here is one of our pre-K classrooms where we are learning through play. This is the first time for most 4 and 5-year-olds to learn how to socialize and meet new friends while also receiving structured learning opportunities. We're now making our way into our kindergarten classrooms. Welcome to kindergarten, where our students are introduced to academic foundations to include the use of technology. Reading, math, science, and social studies are all made fun through technology and hands-on learning. Small group instruction is one way that we target the needs of all of our students, and you'll see these small group tables in every classroom. Now we're at a first grade classroom where the learning is stepping up. Here's one of our first grade classrooms. Here's our first grade classroom where our students are in an environment where they can visually see everything they are learning on the walls. We also arrange the rooms to encourage peer-to-peer interaction. Now that you've seen first grade, let's check out second grade. Welcome to second grade. Second grade is the environment where students are refining their skills in reading and math with plenty of visual guides to help them in their educational growth while also building their independence. Our next classroom is where our 5th and 6th grade students demonstrate the mastery of subjects and skills that they have learned since their early education. With the help of technology, including the use of iPads, Chromebooks, advanced software, and hands-on projects, these students are preparing for college through rigorous curriculum of the upper grades. We're here in our cafeteria where students get a break with their friends for breakfast and lunch. If you notice, we have a unique design because we are a STEM-based school. Students also come back here for extracurricular activities. Our outside playground is another place where imagination can come to life during recess. We believe that an active mind needs stimulation outside as well as inside the classroom. Thank you for joining us on our tour today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you join our SST family.